In this video, I'm going to be talking about the LG Ultra Gear 24-inch 180Hz config and how to set it up. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the 24-inch 180Hz Ultra Gear monitor from LG, you will be able to easily change all of the settings on the monitor itself. This will give you the best experience possible. Keep in mind that this video is going to be aimed towards gamers, so I'm going to be talking about the main settings that gamers have to pay attention to. So first, open the menu by pressing any buttons that you see underneath the monitor itself. So they are either going to be on the middle or on the sides over here. So just press the buttons and you will open a menu similar to this one. Don't worry, even if you have a different menu and the design is different, the options are still going to be the same. So the most important category is going to be Game Adjust. Inside of Game Mode, which is the first category, you will have some presets like FPS, HDR, and so on. You can choose those if you prefer. However, if you want to manually tune all of the settings, then go over to Game Adjust. The very first thing that you will see is FreeSync Premium. I would recommend enabling this. This will fix any sort of screen tearing that might occur if you are having trouble getting a game to the maximum FPS that your monitor supports, in very broad explanations, so do your own research if you would like to know what this does further, but basically it is recommended to enable it. Black stabilizer can be set anywhere between 0 to 100, leaving this on default is okay. Essentially, it is just going to change the contrast between the dark and the lighter areas. Response time should always be set to the fastest possible, so if you have fastest or faster, make sure that you choose it. This will make sure that the refresh rate will always be super up to date. And then you have the option to enable a digital crosshair and game reset, which aren't really relevant. Underneath Picture Adjust, you will have options related to the colors of your monitor, so saturation, contrast, brightness, and so on. And if you aren't using HDR, what I recommend are these settings. Brightness can be set between any of these values, 87, 97, or 100, depending on how bright you like your monitor. I would recommend a lower value to reduce the strain on your eyes, but you can make it brighter if you choose to. Contrast to 70, this will give you a nice balance between the dark areas and the lighter areas. And finally, RGB can be set to 50, 50, and 48. These settings are mostly optional, and to be honest, you can just choose these according to personal preference. But these ones under Game Adjust are going to be by far the most important ones if you would like to get the best gaming performance, so always pay attention on these. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up your LG Ultra Gear 24 180Hz config. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.